Is there any truth to people dating their parents or people similar to their parents or opposite? How does that work?
Oh my goodness, yes. As much as this sounds crazy, it is true. Uh, because of what happens growing up, we have unmet needs, lost parts, we have protective behaviors. I call it, it's our baggage, so to speak. So, going through our childhood into our adult life, we bring all of those aspects of ourselves. So, if there was a certain piece that wasn't met, believe it or not, we want to try to resolve that somehow. And yeah, we're attracted to somebody that has those characteristics, both negative and positive. I mean, it's not just a negative experience, it's also a positive experience. If I look at my partner whom I'm married to now versus my partner that I was married to previously, my previous partner had negative characteristics that were very difficult for me to work through and work with. My partner now has both, but my partner now is also open to receiving uh, what I have to say when I storytell in my head. Um, he's more like my father, my grandfather, and has some elements of my mother. So all of which are growth gifts for me, obviously, because they trigger things for us. And it's in those moments that we're triggered, instead of running, it's looking for what the gold is in that whole scenario for us, and how do we push past that and grow. Because quite often, sometimes I experience that, you know, you're never going to find a perfect partner. And we always think that once conflict happens, we bolt. But really, conflict is growth waiting to happen, as Harville Hendrix would say. So that is a huge thing in relationship. And I try to tell people, even when they successfully and consciously uncouple, because they can't deal with what is happening, that they grow in that and do not repeat the same pattern again.